Welcome in again. Another video, another update on missing Emmanuel Haro and the case. And the family lawyer has just come out. The attorney has come out, finally makes a statement. He's been representing them. I guess we heard they lawyered up maybe yesterday, the day before. So in Casas Bend, California, the defense attorney Vincent Hughes confirmed to News Channel 3, credit to News Channel 3, as he represented the 32-year-old Jake Mitchell Harrow in 2018 in the child cruelty case, and is again representing him now as detectives investigate the disappearance of Harrow's 7-month-old Emmanuel. Let's just let that sink in for a minute. I understand, I get that every person has the right to a defense counsel. Clearly, that is the case. But man, imagine getting that call. I mean, what does this lawyer think about his own client? I mean, wowza. I mean, how many people, not once, twice, are looked into for any wrongdoing of an infant? An infant! Like, this is two infants. This is wild. His statement reads as the following. Quote, the parents of 7-month-old infant reported kidnapping August 14th in Yucaipa seeks answers about their missing child, Emmanuel Haro. Jake Haro is fully cooperating with law enforcement and investigators. That's the statement. That's the end of it. Because I guess everybody's been reporting that Rebbeca Haro stopped giving her statements. Now we know Jake Haro is cooperating with officials. There's no mention of him representing Rebbeca Haro, which is what I said in my reading and my video earlier today. I do believe, while she's not entirely innocent, in my opinion, there appears to me to be domestic abuse going on, and she just might be terrified to come and speak out against him because there's no mention of him defending Rebbeca Haro. And listen to this. Court records obtained by Channel News 3 from Riverside County District Attorney's Office show that Haro and his former partner, Vanessa Avina, also known as Vanessa Haro, were charged in 2018 with felony child cruelty, alleging the pair endangered a child under conditions likely to cause great bodily harm or death. Haro pleaded guilty in June of 2023. He was placed on 4 years of felony probation in order to serve 180 days in jail. Y'all, this baby had broken bones, rib cages. I mean, it's disgusting. I'm really disappointed to hear that this is the same lawyer defending him now, because clearly this lawyer did a good job. He only served 180 days in jail on a work release program, and a 6-year prison term was suspended as part of the plea deal. Man, oh man, oh man. I'm sorry to say that I'm disappointed this lawyer is back on the case, because I'm really hoping that we get justice for these kids right now. And I know the lawyer has a job and it's his obligation, but clearly he's got to be thinking this man needs to be held accountable this time. I mean, my gosh. In a separate case filed in July 2024 in Banning, Haro was charged with felon in possession of a firearm and felon in possession of ammunition. Prosecutors allege deputies found him with a Palmetto State Armory handgun and ammunition despite his felony record. He posted a $10,000 bail in August 2024, a year ago, according to records and obtained by KESQ News Channel 3. Detectives say they cannot rule out foul play in Emmanuel's disappearance after finding inconsistencies in statements from Rebbeca Haro. Investigators have searched multiple locations in Yucaipa and Cabazon, including the homes of Jake's relatives. No arrests have been made. Well, I'm going to add the word yet. Now, I'm adding that myself to this file because I am hoping and praying that justice is found for baby Haro. And I'm hoping and praying that this lawyer is not able to get him off on 180 days in county jail this time, because surely this man deserves never to see the light of day again. ever, ever, ever should never be allowed near a child again. And some of you have posted based on my last video the fact that he was near a child again and birthed another child is crazy. I mean, do we cut his you know what off? Because, I mean, how are we going to ever protect the kids that come into this man's life if he's not jailed and never allowed to see the light of day again? Like, I don't know. What do y'all think? What do y'all think about this? What do you think about this attorney who managed to get him only, who managed to negotiate 180 days in jail for an infant that was taken by hospital and had trauma to the brain, bleeding on the brain, broken ribs, broken bones. This is an infant. For the love of God, what do you think, everybody? I'm hoping there's justice here. I'm hoping we finally see some justice. I'm hoping that justice is served this time and the prosecuting office does not negotiate anything less than what is deserved in this case. I'm hoping that the evidence that the police are vigilant and find the evidence that they need to get a really strong conviction. More importantly, I'm hoping that Rebbeca Haro will come forward and offer up her version of the events to the police. I believe she's afraid. I know she covered up with him, and she's likely going to also serve time. And I'm hoping that she finds the strength to go and share with the police the true story. I'm hoping her lawyer, since it's not this one, at least it's not been stated that he's also representing her, gives her the strength to come forward. I'm hoping that she's not as evil as he appears to be. God, I'm hoping that there's an end to some of these vicious cases of parents that do the unthinkable to their own child. I can't, for the life of me, understand or fathom what kind of monster, demonic, evil, sick, sadistic, PRICK you have to be to harm an infant and a 7-month old. I mean, the most helpless of helpless in our society, infants, babies. How the heck do you justify that? Rebbeca Haro, how do you justify, other than your fear of him, standing up and defending that implausible story? Those woo woo fake tears that never shed out of your faces, either one of you. Rebbeca Haro, I'm hoping you're not as evil as your husband Jake is. I'm hoping your attorney talks some common sense to you and you run your little ASS straight over to the police station and you stop with this ridiculous false narrative that he was kidnapped. We know it's not true. We know all the false statements that you made. Well, you were in your car and not once, twice you've referred to you fell to the ground. We know your bruise didn't happen on the back of your head where you claim you were hit. Your story doesn't make sense. And we know it's a matter of minutes before police come and shackle you and your loser husband, Jake. Save yourself a little bit of trauma, save the community and resources and time because you have one sure thing coming, and that is jail bars in front of you, God willingly, for the rest of your life, Rebecca, because you're complicit in this. All you have to look at is Jaden Spicer's situation where mom was first arrested and dad there followed, stepdad, because he was complicit in it. While I think you're the complicit one and Jake was the actual event taker, instigator of the unaliving, in my opinion, of your baby Emmanuel, you will seek, they will seek you out and you will also serve jail time if you don't get your ASS over to the police. So I'd pick up the phone if I were you. I'd get myself an attorney and I'd say, I need to work out my own deal before Jake does. Because Jake, honey, is going to not protect you. And his lawyer appears to be pretty regrettably pretty talented at defending people that like to prey on child victims, innocent babies, and I don't know, infants. God willing, you get your butt there and you get a better deal by speaking first, Rebbeca Haro. I'm hoping God willingly sets this message, this video out in front of you, and you come to your senses because the rest of the world knows what's about to happen to you. Surely you are not that dumb. Surely you know you're going down for this. And surely you know he ain't going to save your little butt. He's going to go out and blame it on you, just like he did in the first case, where he blamed his ex wife. Survival of the fittest here, sweetie. It's time to get your brains going. It's time to fire those IQs. And it's time to get your ass into a police station to provide a statement with an attorney. Get yourself a deal. This man deserves to be behind bars for the rest of his living days. And while I think you deserve some consequence, you, my dear, likely are also the victim of abuse, in my opinion. But that does not excuse any behavior at this point of yours to continue to fabricate these stories and lies. So, God willing, you see this video, and God willing, you go to the police station immediately. This is unfathomable. Unfathomable that a man, 2 years after pleading guilty, would re-injure a baby. We know you were not attacked in the parking lot, Rebecca. Your stories don't make sense. Your stories don't add up. You have been found to have had a black eye in another store. Your language of using past tense, your crocodile-less tears, your lack of emotion, all of that make you look sus as SHIT. So hopefully you get yourself into the police station. Love and light.